The world of robotics has taken a significant leap forward in 2025, with innovations that feel straight out of a science fiction movie. At the forefront of these advancements is Unitree's G1 humanoid robot, a marvel of engineering that showcases agility, adaptability, and intelligence like never before. Recent updates to the G1 have transformed its capabilities, making it a beacon of what the future holds for robotics. Unparalleled agility, a robot's second nature, Unitree's G1 humanoid robot has undergone a major upgrade, resulting in astonishing performance improvements. Recent footage showcases the robot's ability to walk and jog across uneven terrain with remarkable fluidity, as if these movements are second nature. Observers have been particularly impressed by the robot's ability to recover seamlessly from potential stumbles, such as descending steps. The smoothness of its gait combined with the speed of its foot placement demonstrates a level of natural movement rarely seen in robotics. These updates have sparked widespread praise, with many applauding Unitree's commitment to consistent and meaningful advancements. The G1's improved form and motion have not gone unnoticed by the public. Comments range from admiration for the engineering team to lighthearted jokes about how these robots might soon outpace humans in speed and efficiency. Indeed, the prospect of robots achieving such advanced mobility raises both excitement and curiosity about their potential applications. Expanding capabilities, from kung fu to welding. The G1 humanoid robot is not just a technological showpiece, but a versatile machine capable of handling a wide array of tasks. Demonstrations reveal its ability to perform complex activities, from executing kung fu moves to navigating challenging environments without breaking a sweat. Beyond physical agility, the G1 has showcased practical skills such as smashing nuts, opening soda cans, hammering objects, and even welding. This combination of physical prowess and functional ability highlights the robot's potential in various industrial and domestic settings. The fluidity of its movements has been a focal point of discussions, with many viewers noting how the G1 appears less like a traditional stiff machine and more like a natural extension of human motion. While some observers find this progress slightly intimidating, others are thrilled by the possibilities these robots present for enhancing productivity and tackling complex tasks. Collaborative intelligence. The role of POS mesh. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of Unitree's G1 robot is its integration with AI Network's POS mesh system. POS mesh is a collaborative spatial computing protocol that allows multiple robots to exchange spatial data in real time. This system ensures that robots operating in the same environment can coordinate their movements efficiently, reducing redundancy and optimizing resources. By sharing maps and responding to changes dynamically, robots running on POS mesh require less local processing power, enabling faster deployment and enhanced scalability. The implications of this technology are profound. Imagine a fleet of G1 humanoids or quadrupedal robots, like the Goto W9, working together seamlessly to distribute workloads and complete tasks in parallel. AI Network's vision for POS mesh includes deployment within seconds, without the need for complicated manual setups, paving the way for smarter and more efficient autonomous systems. Eliza wakes up, a new era of humanoid robotics. Beyond the G1, another ambitious project making waves is Eliza Wakes Up. This initiative aims to create one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever released outside of research labs. The project's foundation is the Unitree H1, a sophisticated bipedal platform, but the enhancements go far beyond its base capabilities. Partnering with Old World Labs, the developers have focused on achieving unprecedented realism. The robot is equipped with an animatronic silicone face capable of a broad range of expressions designed to foster emotional connections with users. Advanced dexterous hands enable the robot to handle everyday objects with near-human precision. The hyper-realistic skin and expressive face work together to cross the uncanny valley, making interactions with the robot more natural and engaging. The Eliza Wakes Up project also integrates cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence. Powered by a large language model and Eliza OS v2 from AI6Z, The robot boasts an AI agent capable of thinking, reasoning, and interacting naturally. This system enables the robot to run sophisticated AI processes and interface with blockchain technology, blending digital and physical intelligence seamlessly. Developers envision Eliza as a physical embodiment of AI that can operate across digital and tangible environments, redefining the role of humanoid robots in daily life. Advanced specifications and capabilities. The Unitree H1, the base platform for Eliza, boasts impressive specifications. Standing at approximately 180 centimeters and weighing around 47 kilograms, the robot is designed for agility and endurance. It can walk at speeds exceeding 1.2 meters per second and achieve athletic performances of up to 5 meters per second. The robot's battery capacity of 864 watts allows for over 8 hours of continuous operation, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Equipped with 3D LiDAR and depth cameras, the H1 provides 360-degree depth perception for distances of up to 100 meters. Its M17 joint motor delivers top-tier power and agility, enabling stable performance across diverse terrains and temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. These features position the H1 as a versatile and reliable platform for various applications, from industrial tasks to personal assistance. Emotional intelligence and conversational AI. A key focus of the Eliza Wakes Up project is emotional intelligence. The robot's silicone face mirrors human emotions and expressions, enhancing its ability to connect with users on a deeper level. The integration of real-time large language model-driven conversation further elevates its functionality, allowing for natural and meaningful interactions. The combination of advanced conversational AI and physical capabilities positions Eliza as a transformative figure in robotics. Developers emphasize the importance of creating robots that not only perform tasks autonomously, but also retain consistent personalities, fostering trust and familiarity with users. Whether cutting cigars, serving drinks, or running an 8-minute mile, Eliza represents the pinnacle of robotic advancement in 2025. Teaching robots through mirroring. In addition to these innovations, researchers at institutions like the University of California, San Diego, are exploring new ways to teach robots. By using AI models trained on human motion capture data, they have developed a system called X-Body 2. This system allows robots like the G1 to learn tasks through reinforcement learning in simulated environments. Equipped with this technology, the G1 can analyze human movements and imitate them in real time, eliminating the need for pre-programmed actions. This approach significantly reduces the time and resources required to teach robots new tasks. By mirroring human actions, the G1 can quickly adapt to a variety of movements, from walking and dancing to throwing punches. This capacity for rapid adaptation opens new possibilities for deploying robots in diverse settings, from industrial applications to personal training and caregiving. Balancing innovation and responsibility. As robotics technology advances at a rapid pace, it raises important questions about regulation and ethical considerations. The G1's ability to balance on rough terrain and recover from stumbles has impressed many, but it also highlights the potential risks associated with powerful machines. Observers have expressed concerns about the misuse of such technology, particularly if robots are outfitted with harmful attachments. Developers and regulators must work together to ensure that these advancements are guided responsibly. By fostering transparency and establishing ethical guidelines, the robotics industry can maximize the benefits of these technologies while minimizing potential risks. The future of robotics. The progress showcased by Unitree's G1 and the Eliza Wakes Up project represents a watershed moment in robotics. With advancements in actuators, sensors, and AI, robots are now capable of performing tasks that were once considered out of reach. From walking and cooking to dancing and welding, the possibilities are virtually limitless. As we look ahead, it's clear that the integration of digital intelligence with physical machines will continue to redefine our concept of robots. While the rapid pace of innovation is exciting, it also demands careful consideration of its implications for society. The question remains, Are we ready for this transformation, or is it moving faster than we can handle? One thing is certain, the future of robotics is here, and it's more dynamic and transformative than ever before. Thank you for diving into the incredible world of robotics with us. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest tech marvels. Share this with your friends who love futuristic innovations, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. See you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and inspired.